Time's been something on my mind lately. Not about the time that passed by, but more about slowing down and taking my time.
Everything's fine. Wouldn't expect any more from us. The situation's in line with every story that I heard of the burning bliss, and I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, trying to evaluate.
They often say to slow down and smell the roses. Don't worry, not those ones, they are fake. But slowing down and take my time is something that I'm not very good at it. And one thing that I don't do very often is to go to a random coffee shop and just sit down, look at people, the local people talking with each other. That's something that I really enjoy doing, but for some reason I didn't do so much for the past couple of years. You might have noticed on this channel there's been a couple of things that have been changed since the beginning of the year. So I guess I could say that I kind of slowed down since the beginning of the year. In fact, I don't want to say that I slowed down because it doesn't feel like it slowed down. I take more of my time. I think that's a better way to say it. So I've been doing YouTube video for 3 years now, and I've been keeping myself super busy with video every other day. And although it was really nice, it was kind of a little bit of a challenge. It was one day recording, one day editing, one day recording, one day editing, one day recording. You see the point. And I always felt in a rush to figure out the next story, the next things we're gonna do, the next things we're gonna share. And I felt like I was missing a little something. And I really wanted to share something a little bit deeper, something different. And I think I figured out the good way to do it. So now I'm gonna post video twice a week, at least for now. I don't know if I'm gonna change the schedule. I don't know. But I kind of told myself Monday and Thursday, just to take more time editing, more time sharing better story, just something better. I don't know what I'm looking for, to be quite honest, but just a little bit of change for myself. I must admit I was quite stressed to do it. It was something that I've been thinking about it, and been thinking about it for a while, to be honest. I decided to do it. I don't know how long. Maybe it's gonna be just for a month. Maybe it's gonna be for the rest of the year. Maybe I'm gonna increase to 3 times a week. Maybe I'm gonna go back to my old schedule. I don't know. But right now, a little break. Not a break. A little slow down. Thinking about myself. Thinking about what I want to share. Feels really, really great. This tree fell 80 years ago, but it was 500 years old. It's huge! It's really huge. Before the snow, now the rain. Oh, hey guys, I show you this by the way. When I was in Vancouver during Christmas, I saw this cozy, the people who made the blind, they gave it to me. They gave me the new version. If you can see, but it's got a screen here. So in the summer, I'm gonna be able to open the window and let some fresh air. And it's got magnet all around. So yeah, even the mosquito, you cannot even see me. It's got like a blind into it, which is great. So really it's perfect no matter the season. Keep the cold away from inside the van and keep the hot because it's got like insulation inside for the summer. So it's great anytime and keep your privacy too. I'm gonna leave a link of their website. They didn't ask me to do that. I just love their product and they are a friend of mine and I really like what they're doing on and made. So I like to support local when I can. So I love it. Spicy peanut sauce with all the vegetables that I have left in my fridge and some tofu as well. So I think it's quite easy to be caught up in all the things that we have to do, all the to-do list. But sometimes it's just great to slow down and do some small little things that we enjoy doing. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day here, read some book, maybe edit a little bit, maybe watch a little couple things online, the usual on a rainy day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I deeply appreciate all of you guys. It means the world to me. And I obviously am gonna leave you with Miss Kitty.
Oh, I knew I would catch a cat with that. You don't even try to catch it. At least you could have tried. I'm doing more work than you.
That's where we wonder why we purchased some toys for cats, because... Oh, there you go. Little bite. There you go. Finally. Ah, there you go.